Hello everyone. This presentation is about complete understanding of BCM or Business Continuity Management. I'll be posting chain of presentations. After watching them, you will be able to gain the knowledge about BCM concepts. You might have seen presentations on BCM. I'll try to be very simple and precise. What is business continuity? The business continuity ensures that core business functions continue operating normally during disruptions, whether caused by internal or external factors. In this slide, we'll be discussing about the BCM itself. What is BCM? Business Continuity Management is a structured process that includes conducting risk assessments, developing response plans. BCM is all about keeping your business running, no matter what hits you. It's like having a game plan for when things go wrong, whether it's a small disruption or a major disaster. But how it works? Business continuity. Keep the lights on. It focuses on making sure your most important operations can continue during problems. The end product is our business continuity plan, also called BCP, a ready-to-use playbook for business continuity operations. Then comes the disaster recovery. This is your get back on your feet when something really bad happens. For instance, your main data center floods or all your system crashed and BCP is not helping. Then DR helps you recover critical functions. The end product is our disaster recovery plan, a ready-to-use guide for recovery operations. In simple terms to understand, business continuity keep working through the storm, and disaster recovery rebuild after the hurricane. The whole process involves figuring out what could go wrong, making plans to handle it, and practicing those plans so you are ready when you need them. In this slide, we'll be discussing briefly about phases of business continuity management lifecycle. In BCM, we use multiple terms and they are categorized under different phases and frameworks. Here's how they are typically classified. Events, an observable occurrence that may or may not impact business operations. The end product is our event management plan, also referred as EMP, a ready-to-use playbook for event handling. Then comes the incidents, an event that has a negative impact on business operations. The end product is our incident management plan, also referred as IMP, a ready-to-use runbook for incident management. Then comes the business continuity, a documented strategy to ensure critical business functions continue during and after a disruption. The end product is our business continuity plan, also referred as BCP, a ready-to-use playbook for business continuity operations. Then comes the DR, or disaster recovery, a subset of BCP focused on restoring IT systems and data after a disaster. The end product is our disaster recovery plan, also referred as DRP, a ready-to-use guide for recovery. In this slide, we'll be getting some knowledge about BCM life cycle. Keeping your business running smoothly, no matter what. Implement resilience and response. Stay on top of things. Manage your plans for handling disruptions. Keep them clear, consistent, and easy to find. Then comes match your big picture goals. Align continuity with strategy. Every risk decision should fit what your business is trying to achieve and how much risk you are okay with. Then comes develop a business impact analysis. Know what matters most. Here we figure out what parts of your business can't afford downtime and how a disruption would ripple through everything. Then we need to spot risks before they hit. We conduct risk assessment. We ask what could go wrong, how bad would it be, focus more on the big threats. Then comes a game plan for resilience and recovery. Here we build strategies to stay resilient, like backup systems, alternate workspaces, or emergency protocols. We write the playbooks, create a step-by-step guide for handling crisis, covering quick response, IT recovery, and managing emergencies. Then comes train your team for continuity. Make sure everyone knows their role. If things go sideways, no one should be scrambling in a crisis. Then we need to practice like it's real. Test and exercise plans. Test your plans with drills. It's the only way to find weak spots and build confidence. Then we need to keep it up to date. Review and update plans. Risks change. Your plan should too. Review it regularly to stay ahead. Then we need to measure and improve. Monitor and report resilience. Track how well your plans work and tweak them over time. If you do not measure, you can't fix it. Bottom line is, prep now so you are not panicking later. Business continuity isn't about fear. It's about being ready. What's coming next? Roadmap to resilience. Deep dive into critical topics. Events versus incidents. When does a glitch become a crisis? Master the distinction. BCP and DR, your survival playbook for worst case scenarios. Fail over and fail back. Seamless transitions to keep operations alive. RACI metrics. Who jumps in when chaos strikes? Clarity in the storm. Stakeholders and crisis communications. The right people, right message, right time. GRC, AI, and security. Next generation resilience when compliance meets innovation. Exclusive podcast with industry leaders, real war stories, and proven solutions. Stay tuned. Stay ready. Resilience is a journey. Let's build it together. Thank you.